make your money work for you. And I'm not talking about like your money working like a part-time job. I'm talking about your money working a full 40-hour work week plus some overtime. Webull just dropped a new feature that you can earn 4.1% annually on all of your money. That is about 21 times the normal national savings rate. You can earn 21 times more by using this feature. And that's what this video is all about. Now, Webull just created a brand new program. It's called Webull Cash Management. And how it works is pretty darn simple. Every single dollar that is not invested in stocks or not invested in ETFs or anything, you're gonna earn 4.1% if you use this feature. That like completely beat the market last year. That completely is beating the market this year. It's a safe and very effective way to make your money work for you. Now let's go over to access it and then also some of the features of this program. Now how to access this program is you're gonna need a Webull Cash account. Now, if you've never signed up for Webull before or you have a margin account, hit the link in the description. The second you sign up, they're gonna give you a bunch of free stocks. And then the second you make a deposit, they're gonna give you even more free stocks. So the second you open up a cash account, you will already be in the positive, but it'll give you access to this program. So once you sign up and using my link and you deposit a little bit of money, as of right now, you will need to RSVP for early access because currently this program is in beta for all cash accounts. Now, personally, I already RSVP'd and have access to this program, but I'll put a link in the description so you can RSVP for yourself as well. So let's go over some of the main features. So the first and obviously the biggest is that you're gonna get 4.1% on your money. Now, banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, like all of them give you under 1%. So just to give you an example, if you deposit $500 each month for an entire year, a normal savings account from the big banks is gonna yield you around $9. But if you do those same exact steps and deposit $500 each month into Webull, that is gonna yield you over $100. That's a pretty big difference. Now, another feature of this program is there is no minimum buy-in. So you could literally have $1 or $1 million. It does not matter. You will earn the same amount as the $1 million account. Now, it is also free. There is no monthly cost to it, which a competitor has a similar program, but it does cost money. So it's free to enroll in. It is free to participate in, which is absolutely huge, especially if you have lower amounts of money. And then the last thing I want to go over is that you can withdraw this balance at any time. Now, CDs, certificate of deposits, now they lock you in for a certain amount of months. So it could be 12 months, could be 6 months, could be 18 months, 24 months, 36 months. Like you sign up for that contract and if you pull it out, they charge you. So with this, it gives you the absolute flexibility of any other account. Now, this is a pretty similar program to Robinhood Gold, which was released about 6 months ago. But there are some key differences. Now, the first difference I'm gonna go over is the cost. Now, Robinhood Gold costs $5 a month, whereas Webull is absolutely free. So with Robinhood Gold, you're gonna need a little bit more money in the account to offset that $5. So that is a very simple but important difference if you're investing smaller amounts of money. Now, Robinhood Gold does cost a little bit more, but it does have different features away from the investment end. Like you get bigger instant deposits, you get level 2 market data, and then you also get access to lower margin investing at 7.25% instead of the 11.25, but that does cap out at a certain dollar amount. Webull, you earn 4.1%. Robinhood, you earn 4.15%. Webull, only cash accounts. Robinhood, both margin and cash accounts. Now, Robinhood does cost more, but they have more features. But if your only goal is to make more money, you don't want to borrow it, you don't need bigger instant deposits. All you want to do is have your money work extra hard for you and earn a lot, I would go with Webull. Now, those are the basic differences, but I highly recommend you going and check out both of these programs for yourself. But if you do go with Webull's cash management, definitely hit up the link in the description. You're gonna get a boatload of free stocks. All right, that is it. That is all I got for today's video. I really wanted to get this video out because I'm a huge fan of Webull and this program is absolutely perfect for me. So I just wanted to give out all the information and see if you're interested yourself, and then you could decide for yourself. All right, that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.